Before we get into the video, check the description and join our daily giveaways. EOS could truly hit $4,403 in 2022. EOS's cost expectation for the most negative situation will esteem EOS at $1,016 in 2022. EOS's past all-time high was on 29 April 2018, where EOS was valued at $22.70 when EOS's cost simultaneously, especially last week, basically was $1.26, versus the thought. It has moved by 5,125% in the previous week and in every practical sense is presently at $1.27, which explicitly is very critical. In fact, in the beyond 24 hours, EOS fundamentally has siphoned by 1,602% in an unobtrusive manner. There is a slight negative feeling in the crypto market in a significant way. The drawn-out opinion, nonetheless, stays bullish, and EOS could hit $4,388 in 2023. The all-out circling supply of EOS as of compassing this video was $1,004,104,705,616, and the market cap of EOS stays at $1,270,725,713, or so they especially thought. Significant disclaimer. For coins with practically no data of interest and inexistent verifiable information, the model, as a matter of course, will show a quite sure cost expectation. It is absolutely impossible for our AI bot to translate white paper, tokenomics and group trustworthiness. The coin's value that you are going to see underneath can fall radically contingent upon many elements, so kindly certainly contribute astutely in the wake of really taking a look at the group and project's white paper. This genuinely current value forecast is finished by a machine doing the math, and the model is still in the early beta stages. It should stringently not be taken as a speculation counsel. Albeit practically the best specialists generally are presently tweaking and refreshing the calculation, no human has confirmed the cost anticipated underneath, so in every way that really matters, if it's not too much trouble, utilize your prudence and settle on a choice shrewdly. Our EOS cost forecast model considers a great deal of data of interest and factors to give the surmised worth of EOS before very long to essentially come. No calculation, in any case, can be 100% precise, however we endeavor to present to you the most dependable cost expectation by utilizing a high-level AI/ML information crunching model. The information focuses, remember, EOS's for chain development of coins for August 2022 and past verifiable information. EOS's complete exchanging volume on trades for August 2022 and past verifiable information, which is genuinely critical. EOS's social feeling for August 2022 and past verifiable information. EOS's impending guide and developer action for August 2022 and past verifiable information, or so they especially thought. EOS's especially enormous whale developments and their hodling designs for August 2022 and past authentic information, as opposed to prevalent thinking. EOS's cost developments in view of different exchanging markers like Bollinger Bands, RSI, moving averages, both S&E, MACD, and genuinely something else for August 2022 and past authentic information. EOS price prediction. EOS generally has had a significant 2021. To improve on the most recent EOS cost forecast, we have split the expectation by transient EOS cost forecast and long-haul EOS cost forecast. As of compassing this video, EOS had an exchanging volume of $219,152,209, versus the sort of thought. EOS has increased 23,563% in the beyond 30 days. As per our examination temporarily, EOS cost expectation for October 2022 truly shows the typical cost of EOS at $3,619, and the most noteworthy pretty conceivable cost for October 2022 would be $3,872. Further, as per our examination in the long haul, EOS cost expectation for February 2023 shows the typical cost of EOS at $3,684 and the most elevated in every practical sense. Conceivable cost for February 2023 would truly be $3,942. EOS cost expectation 12 August 2022. EOS's cost for 12 August 2022 as per our examination ought to run between $2,325 to $2,675 and the especially normal cost of EOS ought to be around $2.05 versus the thought. EOS cost expectation 17 August 2022. EOS's cost for 17 August 2022 as per our examination ought to go between $2,872 to $3,305 and the exceptionally normal cost of EOS ought to be around $3,089. EOS cost expectation 22 August 2022. EOS's cost for 22 August 2022 as per our examination ought to run between $3,124 to $3,595 and the typical cost of EOS ought to be around $3,359 in a truly significant manner. EOS cost expectation 1 September 2022. EOS's cost for 1 September 2022, as per our examination, ought to go between $3,306 to $3,804 and the fundamentally normal cost of EOS ought to be around $3,555.
EOS cost expectation October 2022. EOS's cost for October 2022 as indicated by our examination ought to go between $3,365 to $3,872 and the really normal cost of EOS ought to basically be around $3,619. EOS cost expectation November 2022. EOS's cost for November 2022 as per our examination ought to run between $3,389 to $3,899 and the typical cost of EOS ought to be around $3,644 in an unobtrusive manner. EOS cost expectation December 2022. EOS's cost for December 2022 as indicated by our examination ought to run between $3,412 to $3,926 and the typical cost of EOS ought to explicitly be around $3,669, which is genuinely critical. EOS's long-term price prediction. EOS's drawn-out price prediction beneath sort of is a glance at EOS's future possibility concerning cost. EOS was absolute last seen at $1.27